Yes, be ready. Start. These appeals challenge the order of the High Court of Judicature at Bombay dated 16th December 2022 wide which the High Court dismissed the interim application number 33514 of 2022 in commercial suit number 162 of 2022 filed by Reliance Home Finance Limited bracket start herein after referred to as RHFL bracket close respondent number 2 herein under section 151 of the Civil Procedure Code 1908 bracket start for short CPC bracket close seeking approval of the resolution plan bracket start for short RP bracket close pertaining to its resolution in the light of the judgment of this court in the case of Securities and Exchange Board of India versus Rajkumar Nagpal and others full stop. The appeal arising out of SLP number 1078 of 2023 is filed by RHFL and appeal arising out of SLP number 144 of 2023 is filed by Atam Investment and Infrastructure Limited bracket start herein after referred to as AIIL bracket close, a non-banking financial corporation which had originally proposed the RP for RHFL full stop next stanza. The facts herein are taken from the appeal arising out of SLP number 411 of 2023 filed by AIIL, which in brief are as follows full stop next stanza. RHFL executed a number of debenture trustee deeds of which 9 were executed with the IDBI trusteeship services limited respondent number 3 herein for issuance of debentures on a private placement basis having face value of rupees 5 lakhs full stop. These debentures were issued on 30th August 2018 full stop. It is pertinent to note that RHFL had previously taken upon itself substantial debt through loans from several banks and financial institutions full stop. Next stanza. In May 2019, RHFL defaulted on its loan obligations to various lenders full stop. The outstanding debt was quantified to around rupees 11,540 crore full stop. It is important to note that its sister concern Reliance Commercial Finance Limited bracket start herein after referred to as RCFL bracket close had previously defaulted on its loan obligations in March 2019 full stop. On 6 July 2019, a consortium of lenders led by the lead bank that is Bank of Baroda respondent number 4 herein enter into an inter-creditor agreement bracket start herein after referred to as ICA bracket close in terms of clause 10 of the Reserve Bank of India bracket start prudential framework for resolution of stressed assets bracket close directions 2019 bracket close herein after referred to as RBI circular bracket close. As per clause 10 of the RBI circular, the lenders may enter into an ICA for implementation of a RP full stop. Next stanza. On 26th August 2019, RHFL committed default in relation to the debenture trustee deeds issued as well full stop. In January 2020, IDBI Trusteeship Services Limited respondent number 3 herein filed a company petition bearing number 138 of 2020 before National Company Law Tribunal Mumbai bracket start NCLT bracket close under section 71 within bracket 10 of the company